Hello, savvy investors. Welcome back to Daily Market Insight channel, your go-to source for daily financial insights. Today, markets open lower, with Nifty 50 below 22,300 and Sensex fell over 190 points. Next news is JM Financial drops over 15%, a day after RBI's action on JM Financial. The company's stock crashed over 15% on Wednesday after the RBI barred it from doing any form of financing against shares and debentures, as it found lags during a review of its books. The next news is, the shares of IIFL Finance Limited were locked in a lower circuit of 20% for the second consecutive day after the RBI's action. The Reserve Bank of India, RBI, on Monday barred IIFL Finance Limited from sanctioning or dispersing gold loans with immediate effect over material supervisory concerns. RBI found that IIFL Finance was breaching in loan-to-value ratio. There was significant dispersal and collection of loan amount in cash, which was far over the statutory limit. Also, they were not following the standard auction process. RBI also said that there was a lack of transparency in charges being levied by IIFL Finance. Next news is, the share price of IRCTC went down marginally in the opening trade on March 6th, even after the company signed a deal with SWIGGY to provide pre-ordered meals to passengers of the Indian Railways. Next news is Mahanagar Gas falls 14%. Shares of Mahanagar Gas fell over 14% after the company reduced CNG prices by Rupee 2.5 per kilogram. Next news is RBI ban hit IIFL Finance to get $200 million liquidity support from Fairfax. Shares hit 20% lower circuit today. Troubled IIFL Finance Limited on Wednesday said that its long-standing investor, Fairfax India Holdings Corp., has agreed to invest up to $200 million in the company to tide over the liquidity crunch faced by the company following the restrictions imposed by the Reserve Bank of India on its gold loan dispersals. Next news is City Gas Distributor stocks tumble amid margin concerns. Shares of city gas distributor companies were trading under pressure after Union Petroleum and Natural Gas Minister Hardeep Puri said that the full benefits of natural gas sector reforms haven't reached end customers, and the government might take drastic steps to ensure consumers are benefited. As per experts, any significant step by the government in the future would impact the margins and profitability of city gas distributors, including Mahanagar Gas and Indraprastha Gas. Next news is Sona Machinery IPO oversubscribed 13 times on the first day. Sona Machinery IPO opened to a good response from the investors on Tuesday, March 5th, as the public issue was subscribed more than 13 times on the first day. Sona Machinery's IPO capital will be used for buying new machinery, setting up new manufacturing units, repaying debt, and general corporate purposes. Next news is the Bank Nifty index closed in green with plus 0.26%. Gains in ICICI Bank, Kotak Mahindra Bank, Axis Bank propelled the index higher. Next news is benchmark indices. Nifty 50 with plus 0.56% and Sensex with plus 0.55%. Recouped morning losses to close in green. Out of the Nifty 50 space, 35 stocks closed higher. Bajaj Auto and Kotak Mahindra Bank were among the top gainers. I hope you liked this video. To be updated about the stock market, make sure to subscribe.